Welcome back to 10,000 Roads. My name is Don, and I'm excited to announce we are finally taking a trip in our RV. As you can see behind me, we've got a lot of work going on. We are putting the finishing touches to this RV. We've got curtains to put in. We've got all kinds of things we've got to do. Clearing out these shelves from all the just long months of construction that I've been putting in here. Getting all my tools out and just kind of spending a fortune on RV stuff. Everything from sewer drains to stuff that you can use in the kitchen. All these things that if you own an RV, you know what I'm talking about. But as for me, this is all new to me. So we've got, dishes that we've bought, just simple stuff, because after all this time, we are finally taking a trip. We're not ready to take a trip, but we're taking a trip. We needed something to kind of light a fire under our rear end, so I'm using a convention that I have to go to for work, and we're driving a short 2-hour trip up to Orlando, and we're going to stay at Fort Wilderness in Disney World. So we're super excited about that. My kids especially are excited, and we're excited to go to an RV park that has all of the amenities, full sewer, good electric, pools, all that good stuff. Because a lot of these RV parks I'm looking at online are a little bit scary, to be honest with you. But I don't think we can go wrong with Disney. So I'm super excited. I'm going to put this camera down and start working because I've got a lot to do. Amy's going to be helping me today as we decorate and put the finishing touches on this thing. So she's picked out some awesome curtains, and we're going to make this thing work, and we're going to go. And I am sure that while we're on this trip, we are going to find things that we didn't think of while we've been working on this thing. But we are going to do our best and work through all the mistakes and put together a list for all the new stuff that we need to work on in this RV so that we can take it a little bit further away from home. But I'm going to go ahead and put this thing down and get started because we've got a lot of work to do. So after nearly 2 days of work, we have decorated, we have done all the final touches that we can possibly think of to at least take a short 3 or 4 day trip. So that's what we're planning on doing. Let me give you a little tour and just show you some of the things we've accomplished in the last day or two. So behind me, you'll see these dark blue curtains. This is kind of the color theme that we're going with. This is just a temporary fix, but in lieu of the RV curtains that I tore out that cover the front, we went ahead and put this thing in. But we've got our TV up now. We've got some curtains in place. Pretty happy about those. Just loving the color, and this will give us some privacy at night. Same thing over here. We installed these curtains, and this is Amy's solution. She's a genius with this kind of thing. But the old RV curtains that were up there, if you remember from early on, those old RVs have those weird little window boxes. I don't even know what you call them. But what Amy was able to find were these, they're called swivel cafe rods, and they fit right up snug against the RV wall. So that way we can run some hooks and put some curtains up there. So we tried to use the same color all around to keep the theme all together, but pretty happy with how these turned out, and they are super dark. We completely darkening when we decide to shut down at night and watch some TV. These curtains let no light in, which is pretty awesome. We've just done some things up here. Got a little thing for our fruit. We've got a bottle opener that we've installed. Just some of this little stuff we've been doing in the last day or so. We've stocked up our pantry for our trip. Again, it's just a short trip, but we are a small army, so we need quite a bit. The biggest notable difference is going to be in this bathroom area, just because we covered it up. But this is the shower. It's going to be storage. It's not perfect. It needs a brand new faucet down there. We need to reinstall the shower part of it, the little, what do you call those things? The little handle piece that goes up there. But for now, it's clean. It'll be used for a foot wash. We're going to use the facilities at the venue where we're staying. But we've got some towel racks hung up. Again, there's 7 of us, so we've got to do that. And then this is the bathroom. We've got this going now. It's nice and clean. It's hard to buy just one of those little toilet rolls, just the roll that goes on there. We had to buy a whole piece of furniture for it. One of the cool things that I love is we did this and spray painted it nice cobalt blue. Love how that looks. But we've got the bathroom ready to go. And then we've got the kids' bedroom is the last little bit here. So this has been a long process. Let me turn the light on for you. So as you know, as I've said several times just now, we've got 5 kids. So we were able to pack all 5 kids into this RV, into this back bedroom, and they absolutely love it. Our oldest is 14, our youngest is 7. That's his bed there. The 2 older girls are down below, so they can wrap a sheet around and have some privacy. And the 2 older kids begged to be on the top bunk, so we're letting them try it. Each kid has a little bulletin board where they can collect souvenirs. Even Chesapeake has his own over here in the corner. So they're packed in tight, but they love it. This is so much fun for them to all cram into here. We've got our laundry set up. That's what we're going to use for laundry. I've got my work clothes already packed in here for the convention that I'm headed to, but this is pretty much it, guys. We're ready to go. This is just going to be a short episode because I wanted to build up the excitement before we head on our first trip in this RV. So the next video that you see posted from our channel will probably be some highlights from our trip. We are going to go spend some time as a family because this has been a long, grueling project to get this RV to the state that it's in now. It's been years. If you've noticed, early on my kids were much smaller than they are now. You want to drive in a shore? Go ahead in.
Take a look at it. That smells like cat pee.
Yeah, it does kind of, doesn't it?
Oh my gosh.
I smell
It's a little dark in here.
You smell bumblebees? Is there a light?
It's been a long time to get the RV from what it used to look like to this. Weekend after weekend, after vacations. I don't even know how many thousands of dollars we've spent to put this thing together. But I can tell you it would have been a lot more expensive to buy a brand new RV. Altogether, I mean, I'm throwing a spitball here, probably less than around 15,000 in parts and stuff that we've had to do. So a lot of labor, but you know, to us, it's priceless to be able to get to use this thing finally. So we are off. We are excited, and thank you for watching 10,000 Roads. If you've made it this far, my hope is you've probably been watching several of our episodes, so this isn't your first one, but if you haven't, go back and watch some of our earlier episodes. We've got a lot of videos on what we did from the very beginning, from the flooring to the kitchen to the roof. We've done videos on just about everything, so check them out. If you've already done that in the past, thank you. If you haven't, please go back and check them out. But either way, like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and you will be the first to be notified as soon as new content is posted. So we are off. We're looking forward to visiting Fort Wilderness, and we'll let you know how it went after we are done. So thank you for watching 10,000 Roads. My name is Don, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.